Hello, in this lecture we are going to download Crackme 18. So head over to this link over here and you will see Crackme 18. This Crackme is written in C# and is a .NET framework executable. This is the user interface. There's a product ID and a registration group which contains the name input and the serial key input and a button to check your serial key. There are 3 tasks. Patch it to always succeed no matter what name and serial key you enter. 2. Do serial phishing to extract the serial key based on a given name of your choice. 3. Create a keygen. And over here is a download link, and the password to unzip the file is crackinglessons.com. Click on the download link, cut it, and paste it into your Crackme's folder. Thereafter, unzip the Crackme 18, key in the password, which is crackinglessons.com. After you have unzipped the Crackme, you will have a new folder called Crackme 18. You may now delete the zip file. And now let us rename this folder. Put a prefix 19 dash. Now let's open the folder and double click on the Crackme, and you will see this is what it looks like. Let's analyze it. Drag it and open it with DIE. And over here you will see the DIE has detected it as a .NET program. So this is how we know that this is a .NET program, by using DIE. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to use dnSpy to crack this program. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.